Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm here at the first annual Town of Brantford and United Way Touch a Truck event. It's pretty amazing. We've got a full house here. We've got over 25 trucks, from fire engines to police vehicles to tractor trailers, just about anything you can imagine, and hundreds of kids and families having a great time.
Sure. I'm Dave Scarpace, and this is my wife, Kelly. And my son, Brennan, is driving a bucket loader, and he absolutely loves any type of construction equipment whatsoever. And this is just a great event to have for the kids. It's a nice fundraiser to get some diapers, too.
Okay, I'm Joanne Hoffmeister. I'm from Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield, and we are packing up the diapers as they get donated. And we're doing pretty good. All right.
Hi, I'm Pat Andrea. I'm the director of the Brantford Counseling Center. This is Ron Washington, who's a detective with the police department, who's been on the committee with the United Way of Greater New Haven to put this event together. And you said something before, what's good about it? Everything is good about this event. Children are having a wonderful time here. We're collecting loads of diapers for the diaper bank. Rotary Club is here, and they are cooking food, and people just seem to be having a wonderful time. Ron?
The biggest thing I can say is that this type of event is just great for the kids. Anytime we can do this kind of thing for the kids from our community and others is just fantastic.